Okay, I'm back, and it is installed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plug welds. So this completes the welding for now. This piece is spliced in right here, butt welded, and it's gonna require minimal filler. This is all welded solid. And this was lapped in, and at this point down, it was butt welded. So I didn't want to have any seam right there. So that's all smooth, ground down. Shouldn't require any filler in here. Just filler along here, a little filler here to smooth out. Just the nature of trying to weld. You get little bits here and there. And then everything gets epoxied. Caulked, undercoated, and then finally the suspension can go back in. And then this will have probably about 3 or 4 coats of 2K primer to make the transition, to keep that body line. Needs to be smoothed out a little bit here and blend into the rest of the panel. And then it's ready for the final blocking. As the jam's already done. This is a color change, by the way. This car used to be silver. Front jam is all done. Well, all the jams are done, including the trunk. And the engine compartment. Roof is already done. Covered in dust right now. Just to give you an idea. Yes, that's a purple roof. Had to take the back glass out and the windshield out, and then the sunroof had to be dropped in to be able to properly paint it. These moldings had to come off and paint it separately so the paint can get underneath it, and of course on the moldings. Yeah, so the front bumpers are done, the rockers, front and rear bumpers, the mirrors, all the moldings. So now it's down to paint the hood, paint this side of the car, paint the deck lid, and then paint the other side of the car. Wet sand and buff it, and final assembly. Oh my God, it's been a long road on a small budget.